Hey, what's up YouTube? I know it's been forever since my alarm videos, but I have finally gotten new stuff that I can show you. The first thing is the fire alarm annunciator, which I've wired to my 5204, which is awesome. Just so you know, in a little bit it's probably going to go into trouble mode when it realizes I haven't put batteries in it. I've cleared most of the troubles, I've added resistors, but the main thing is I have this new annunciator. Also, for a long time I've had this Simplex pull station and I haven't been able to get it to work, but just recently I got it. So I'm going to activate the alarm with this. The horn is going to go off into code 3. I'm going to show you my full effect, and it should be good. Here we go. Okay, I just silenced the alarm. I'm coming back to the pull station now, where I'm going to reset it. And now I'm going to do a reset from the annunciator. To do that, you push reset, enter, and the code is 1111. Now it's telling me, there we go, the batteries come up and it's telling me I have a memory since I just activated the alarm. So I'm clearing the memory. And I'm also going to silence the low battery. That's everything there. By the way, if you're wondering before why I use the panel to silence the alarm, it's because things aren't really wired right, and when you push silence, it doesn't actually silence it, so I put a little on-off switch in the panel. Also, one of my strobes isn't working, so I have a new chime strobe on order, which I will show you in a little bit when I get that from eBay. Should be good. Bye, YouTube.